Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this pretty holiday smooshy and nail stamp design. So I'm going to use all blue polishes. So I'm going to use Finger Paints Blue U Bamboo, Pure Ice Splash, and Salon Perfect Digital Blue. So I'm going to paint the middle blue onto a sandwich bag. I like using sandwich bags because they're easy to throw away. I always say that in my smushy videos. And then I'm going to add drops of the lighter blue and the darker blue. I don't know, with snowflakes, I always associate it with blue. When I do my snowflake design, I always add blue to it. Any rhyme or reason, I really don't have none. So then as you can see, I'm just using a stamper just to mix the colors together. And I'm going to use a larger stamper to pick it up. Now, I was going to do another smushy. Well, I had filmed another smushy design. But when I did this one, I just thought it looked so pretty. I had to film it. I just loved how it came out. Then using my Cici and Sisi 04 nail plate, I'm going to apply white polish onto a snowflake design. Now, I've had this plate forever. In every holiday season, I always use this design because I absolutely love it. I just love the look of it. I love how the snowflakes look. It's really pretty, and it always makes my designs pop. Once I was done, I just removed the liquid latex and I cleaned around my nails. And then I'm going to add inside, like the little dots area, little dots of hollow or silver into it just to bring it out a little bit more. And then once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope you liked this video. I hope I made it easy for you to recreate if you want. And here's a finished look. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Fun with My Nails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.